Hi friends, welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where science meets stories. Stay with us.
It sounds like science fiction. One cell reaches out to another and steals its power. But this is real science. Researchers have just discovered that cancer cells can steal energy by taking tiny power stations called mitochondria from nearby nerve cells. Mitochondria are like mini batteries inside cells. They keep everything running. Cancer cells, which grow and spread quickly, need a lot of energy. And when they don't have enough, they find a sneaky way to get more by grabbing mitochondria from nerves. Under the microscope, scientists saw cancer cells form tiny tunnels, almost like cell-sized bridges, connecting to nerve cells. Through these, mitochondria travel from nerves to the cancer cells. It's like borrowing a battery without asking. The cancer cells that receive this boost become stronger, more resilient, and more likely to spread. But here's the exciting part. When scientists blocked this power transfer, the cancer cells grew weaker. This discovery opens a new path in cancer research, not just fighting the cells, but cutting off the energy that fuels them. It's a powerful reminder. Even in the tiniest worlds of biology, energy is everything. Want the full story? It's all in the original article. Check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and see you next time.